So how do you actually play FC26 online on your Nintendo Switch 1 or Switch 2? So there's a couple of ways to do this. For example, we have co-op seasons here, as you can see, online friendlies, tournaments, seasons here as well, and also Ultimate Team. So there's a couple of ways that you can play online on FC26, but there is one thing that you need to be able to do so, by the way, on your Nintendo Switch. So first I'm just going to click on the home button here and then go to the Nintendo Switch Online here. And then just select my account that is connected to my Nintendo Switch account here. And then I have to scroll down until I can see membership options here. So on membership options, you can click on renew or change memberships as an example. I'm just going to show you here what I mean exactly. So you can see I have the Nintendo Switch Online individual membership. I have a free trial, which I got because it's the first time that I'm using it. But I had to get one of those to be able to play Nintendo Switch Online, unfortunately. So if you're looking to play online, you most likely have to get this membership here, as you can see. So there's a couple of ways to get it. So you can see 1 month for me is this cost, but for you it's gonna be probably different. So you have to get at least 1 month here or a free trial if you have that option as well to be able to start playing online on FC26. And once again, there is a couple of options to play online. We have Ultimate Team, Seasons, and so on FC26 on your Nintendo Switch, of course. But basically that is exactly how to actually do this.